Do you ever feel like your dryer just doesn't get your stuff dry? Or just that one article of clothing doesn't quite get dry and you want to start the next load? You just need a built-in laundry rack. So let's cut some wood. Then we're going to draw a bracket that will hold the dowel or one of the drying rods. That's what it looks like. So first we drill the hole, and then you cut it out. Oh, don't forget to sand it. I'm just routing the base plate with a fancy look. I just sanded the other things, the brackets, just rounded it over. Then the arms, just drill some more holes where the dowels are gonna go. So what I did, I just screwed them to the wall. Then I put the dowels through the holes. Some were a little more difficult than others. I'm just putting a waterproofing coat on it because it's going to hold wet clothes. Alright, then I had to make the straps to actually hold the laundry rack when it folds out. So I just bought some straps at Joann's Fabric and sewed it. Alright, so I just made it have one hole go over the rod. I just screwed it to the wall. Just make sure you have a big headed screw so it doesn't just rip out. There we have it. Folds up against the wall. Pretty exciting. And of course we had to try it out. Hanging towels and stuff. I like having the rods stick out a little bit so you can just kind of hang something off of it, off the end, like a hood. When you just have that pair of pants just a little bit wet, don't fret. Just hang it up on your laundry rack and put the next load in. That's it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the video. Enjoy the rest of your day.